Come test drive the 2012 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, traction control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, too. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.